The portable air compressor has a long-life oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. 150 max size 6.0-gallon tank, 22.7 L, and 2.6 SCFM** delivered at 90 psi. Pump enable long tool runtime with quick recovery of the electric air compressor. Bostitch high-efficiency motor of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather, or extension cord application, 14 ga or larger, 50 feet, 15.2 m, or less, 78.5 dBA***. Operational noise level for a quiet work environment. 29 lb weight makes unit easy to carry and store. Bostitch high-flow regulator and couplers to maximize air tool performance. 2 universal couplers to easily support 2 users. This portable, lightweight Pancake compressor has an oil-free, maintenance-free pump that delivers 2.6 SCFM* at 90 psi and a maximum tank storage pressure of 150 psi. The 78.5 dBA** rating is ideal for a quiet work environment.